Role-based procurement. Supply chain procurement. Strategy. Developing procurement strategies aligned with supply chain goals. Inventory control. Managing stock levels to optimize costs and meet demand. Supply planning. Forecasting and planning for the procurement of goods and services. Demand planning. Anticipating customer demand to optimize procurement activities. Transportation and logistics. Managing the movement of goods from suppliers to end users. Order management. Handling the entire order fulfillment process efficiently. Warehousing. Managing storage and distribution centers. Manufacturing. Procuring raw materials for production. Procurement. Executing procurement activities in line with supply chain requirements. Legal. Addressing legal aspects within the supply chain procurement process. Finance. Managing financial aspects of supply chain procurement. Project management. Applying project management principles to supply chain initiatives. Courses. Educational programs focusing on supply chain procurement. Analytics. Utilizing data analytics to optimize supply chain procurement processes.